very senior lawyer in Nigeria, son Mike Ozakome. Make una hear wetin him talk. Why in they say make them release Nnamdi Kanu as soon as possible. He say make them release him. They talk him from the experience of lawyer where him be, of senior lawyer, of senior advocate where him be. But una go hear him. Make you make your own judgment. Make we begin to talk this thing. They share this video. Make it they reach everywhere. Make everybody begin to talk. Especially those of us who come from Southeast. In fact, not be only Southeast. All Nigerians, even Africans, where they take injustice, they hold illegally for everywhere for Africa or even in the world, because